Elon Musk offered to buy Twitter on April 14, and just 11 days later Twitter agreed to sell itself for $44 billion. Acquiring Twitter at such a price would come out to $54.20 a share, which is 20% higher than the stock was at the opening bell on April 14. But recently, Elon has made it known that he would like to back out of the deal, blaming the exit on misinformation on how many real users there are. Current data shows that Twitter has nearly 400 million users. Twitter claims that about 5% of these users, or 20 million accounts, are bots. Elon on the other hand claims that at least 20% of users are bots, and that Twitter is hiding this information from him. After making these claims, Musk decided to attempt to back out of the deal, forcing Twitter to file a 62-page lawsuit against him, stating that Elon is breaching his agreement to buy Twitter. The social media company claims that all relevant data in relation to bots on Twitter were provided, and that the existence of bots was even a part of the reason as to why Elon wanted to buy Twitter in the first place. According to the lawsuit, Twitter even honored some other requests, such as handing over a vast stream of tweets for Elon to analyze. Yet, Elon continued to demand an irrational amount of information which were designed to try to tank the deal, according to the lawsuit. In addition to trying to tank the deal, Twitter claims that Musk breached the agreement by stopping efforts to close the deal via obtaining funds. Elon Musk appeared to ditch efforts to finalize his debt finance to secure the $44 billion needed to acquire the company. This seems to be untrue, though, as Elon has secured $13 billion worth of loans, but must fund the buyout with $33.5 billion in cash. Within a month's time, Elon managed to secure 19 key investors to commit $7 billion worth of funding. The rest of the $26.5 billion will be funded by Elon himself. He has now sold $18 billion worth of stock since the April 21 announcement of acquisition, but has sold $32 billion worth of stock since last November, making it appear that Elon likely has the cash on hand to fund the rest of the required equity needed to buy Twitter. To recap, Elon Musk filed to acquire Twitter on April 14. Twitter then accepted his deal for a $44 billion price tag on April 25. Elon then got 19 investors to pledge $7 of the $33.5 billion of equity funding needed, and secured $13 billion worth of loans, leaving Elon to pay the additional $26.5 billion. The Twitter buyout was then halted due to a Twitter bot and spam account misrepresentation. According to Elon Musk, Twitter states that the amount of bots on their platform comes out to 5%, while Elon states that it is closer to 20% and above. Elon then officially tries to walk away from the deal, and Twitter then files a lawsuit against Elon, stating that he is required to purchase the company as all requirements per the agreement have been met by Twitter. Elon states that misinformation about the amount of bots that compose Twitter is a lot higher than Twitter claims. So will Elon buy Twitter? It is unclear whether Twitter or Elon Musk has broken their side of the agreement, and therefore also unclear on whether or not Elon will be forced to purchase Twitter. Musk filed a 164-page countersuit that is pending resolution, and while most corporate cases settle before trial, if Twitter goes through with suing Elon, we won't know if Elon will be forced to buy Twitter until after the trial, which is set to happen October 17 through the 21st. Do you think Elon will buy Twitter? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with market news. Thanks for watching and stay informed.